Hi, this is Linda Ray from Real Estate One. I am here with Paula Ray Johnston and Jo Golda. Hi, Joe.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Doing really well. Joe is from Jo Golda Cleaning and Organizing Company. She owns the business, and I thought perhaps today she could have some answers for all of us who's in need of some answers about what's going to come once we have this lift. You up for that, Joe?
I'm up for that.
Okay, so what I thought I would probably talk to you about is what are some of the things that you're doing right now? What are the issues you're running into before we get into that?
Well, the biggest thing is that, we base on residential cleaning. We can't go into people's homes right now. We don't do a lot of commercial cleaning. And my employees aren't able to do that. So they're shut down. We do a lot for the builders. They're shut down right now. We do a lot of construction clean. So, but what we've figured out to do is that a lot of people have these offices that are empty right now and they need to be cleaned. They usually have a cleaning company that comes in, and they're decent, but they never get it deep cleaned. So we're going to deep clean it, sanitize it, disinfect it, and when people go back to work, the employees will feel peace of mind that it's been cleaned.
I would think that that's going to be a long list, and maybe they need to get on your list, right? In
Yes,
case
they do.
they
Yes, they do.
overwhelm.
And we don't know exactly when we can start back. I think next week we could do, if they've been empty and no one's been in there for 14 days, we're safe to go in. We're an essential business, so that's okay. And we are partnering up with Chet's Cleaning, who's doing the carpet cleaning, tile. They do upholstery. And Chet's, he knows his stuff and he knows exactly what products to use and has researched exactly what would be needed for this kind of project.
He sure is. He's got a great reputation. Our clients have used him as well. How can they get a hold of you, Joe, if they'd like to get on that list?
Call me on my cell phone, 810-241-1622. They can email me at jo at joesorganizing.com.
Okay, Paula, you want to talk to Joe about organizing and
Yeah,
some
I've
of
got a couple of questions. I've got some clients that are in the middle of chaos, trying to figure out what is the best thing to do. Can they call you and how can you help them?
Well, right now, because everybody's not into their houses and everything, we could do what's called a virtual organizing. So they could take their cell phone with FaceTime or, Skyping me and with their iPad and show me the areas that they have in their house that they're struggling with. And I can give them some good suggestions on how to organize it, declutter it, and make it more bigger space. Everybody wants a lot of space, and
Absolutely.
people want to see their things in that space.
We also talked before on like some of my clients, we had talked about even though like they have cupboards, but you had talked about you had some ideas to putting in some racks and different things that you guys can actually do to help make that space look more full or spacious and actually more functional. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. We're a distributor for organized living, so we're not California Closets, we're not Home Depot, we're moderately priced, and they have some really nice wire baskets that attach to the wall and they pull out. So you can take a 24-inch wide space and put these pull-out drawers in there and increase it by at least 40%, and
Wow,
put a couple shelves above that. Now that little broom closet, that little linen closet is really useful.
that's great. That's good to know. So I'm going to pass that information along to my clients because I my concern is as they show the house, they need to be able to show it to where it looks like someone else can function in it. When these
Mhm.
are some of the complaints why they're moving, so let's make it work so the next person can use it. And I think that'd
Right.
be a great idea.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
So
what about the rooms, Joe, that perhaps maybe it's an older home and the closets are really small and the linen closets, etc.
Mhm.
You have the expertise to actually go online and walk through that house with them and perhaps give them some suggestions of what things and how that room could be rerouted a little bit for
Yes,
added space.
absolutely. So they could give me their dimensions. A lot of those older homes have angled ceilings
yeah,
on the side, like a bungalow especially has those angled walls. and that. So you have to get really creative on those to maximize the space. But those older homes had the 4 foot wide closets that our grandparents used to just put all their clothes in. Now, we're trying to function in that with this day and age, trying to get all our clothes in there, and it just doesn't work. So people feel guilty, like they're disorganized and that. So we can fix that and get some double hang in there and give them some options.
Paula,
Okay.
didn't you bring up to me on one of the homes that uh, by changing a closet in the den area could be classified as the fourth bedroom?
Yeah, we had a home that is first floor master and two large bedrooms upstairs, which of course you didn't want to make them smaller by any means because there's almost like equivalent to having three masters. But on the main level, her sitting room slash office was huge. And I said, most people are looking at the house, was complaining, love the house, but they just needed that fourth bedroom for that guest room, or maybe the parents that might be coming for 3, 6 months out of the year. And I said to her, I go, well, let's find out how much it would be to like throw a closet in there. Well, we happened to find a gentleman that knew how to do that. And boy, what a difference it made. So I
Mm.
know that when you add these organizers and you add an extra closet in a separate room, and the house ended up selling right away because it was now a fourth bedroom,
Yes,
because you have an actual full closet. And even if they used it for an office, it's great for storage in an office.
yes, yeah, yeah. Now we've taken a third bedroom and made it a closet,
Oh,
and that's
really?
a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun.
That's
Well,
something I'd probably do.
that's
That's a lot of fun.
it just depends on the family size and what their needs are. But that's something that you could have done, right, Joe? You could have put that closet in for them.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. Are
And
there
you have
any other services that we haven't covered that you do?
Just the actual moving, selling your house, getting it cleaned, getting it decluttered, and then helping them pack, getting the mover. Of course, you use the same as I do, and then when they get to the new house,
Changing
we
places, of course, right?
yes, that's right, and and then we clean the new house, and then we put in shelf paper, shelf liners, a big deal. Nobody has time to do that stuff, and so yeah, we put that in, and then then unpack and put all their stuff away in an organized fashion. So that's a big job for us. Then put some storage shelving into the basement, some chrome racks, get everything ready for the things that are coming.
I thought it was good when you said that you actually customized putting the things away according to some of their heights.
Right. So an older person has mobility issues. So I'll have them stand and show me how high they can reach. And
Yes.
so I'll put the shelf exactly how that can be. Even bending over, they can get dizzy. And so like I'll put shoes like at eye level rather than bending all the way down to the floor to get their shoes, and then they can see them better. So that's one thing. Even in the kitchen, same thing.
Okay. Boy, it sounds like you got it covered from A to Z. And I know a lot of our clients have been very happy with your service and they are affordable. That's the key too, right?
Yes.
That's the
Yeah.
big
Yep.
key.
hmm
Being affordable. So I would like everyone to know. I'm going to have Joe give her email as well and a phone number again. But we are going to put these on our website, lindarayteam.com. We have a table talk, and that's really what this is. We've just labeled it table talks. We've been giving videos for years with our clients so that we can spread the news of people that we've vetted and we've actually used, and they come very highly recommended 5-star. And we do put them on our website, and you can go under table talk, and they are completely updated constantly because the information is changing by the hour. So we want to know that we're always complying with everything. And if you have a real estate need or you could use Joe, please call her at.
810-241-1622.
You want to give them your email as well?
I will. Joe, J-O, at josorganizing.com.
And of course, Paul and I could always get you to Joe if you'd like to have a chat with her as well. So I thank you, Joe, so much for your information today. I think it's very vital every day, but right now in this season, our information is even more vital because people need to know what to do.
Thank you. You guys are great. I mean, you're so professional in all that you do. Thank you so much.
Let
Thank
me
you,
do
Paula.
let
You
me
have
do a
anything
real let me do a real quick recap. So Joe, just make sure people clearly understand. Not only do you clean, and you can do a cleaning sanitizing for a home or business. So that's
Mhm.
two. You can organize. You can put in shelf liners. You can put organizers in, and you can also even help create that extra closet space where it might be needed, right?
Correct. And then
Right.
garages and basements and
Garages
storage
and
area.
basements are huge. That's really
Mhm.
great. That's wonderful because people are looking for things right now that they can start putting in place or just calling you and getting it set up.
Mhm.
I would be happy to pass the information on to several of my clients right now that are really needing your service.
Okay, be
Let's throw
happy.
that in there too, Joe. You actually would be willing to take an iPhone if they have one and walk through the house, and you literally
Right.
can look at
Sure,
that and
absolutely.
give them advice right now, right? So they
Right.
could
It
get
would,
started.
yeah. Yes, it would probably be just 1 hour on the phone, 1 hour charge. They'd be like that, how that would work.
Mhm. Not only in organizing, but again the questions of maybe some of the do's and don'ts, what's possible.
Correct.
Okay.
Thanks again for all your great information.
You're welcome. You have a good
Thank,
night.
All
thanks,
right.
guys.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye bye.